The most expensive motorhome in the world. The world's most expensive motorhome. $3.7 million worth. You might think that this sleek, futuristic motorhome is a custom job. What is actually the Element Palazzo, designed by the Austrian manufacturer Marquis Mobile. This luxury yacht on wheels is constructed on a Volvo chassis with a Volvo engine. Element Palazzo. The Element Palazzo is a pinnacle of luxury motorhomes, renowned for its futuristic design, opulent interior, and innovative features. Created by Austrian company Marquis Mobile, it is among the most expensive and exclusive motorhomes globally. With high-end materials, advanced technology, and a unique expandable sky lounge, it offers an unparalleled travel experience for those seeking the utmost in comfort and luxury on the road. Exterior design. The exterior design of the Element Palazzo is nothing short of a spectacle, combining luxury with a futuristic flair. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape exudes a sense of elegance and modernity, setting it apart from conventional motorhomes. The use of high-quality materials in construction allows for a personalized touch, with custom paint finishes and graphics available to suit the owner's preferences. However, one of the most striking features is the enormous panoramic windshield at the front, offering an unhindered view of the road and its surroundings. This impressive window not only adds to the luxurious aesthetic, but also enhances the driving experience. The exterior lighting, integrated seamlessly with LED technology, provides both ambient and functional illumination, further elevating the motorhome's opulence. All these elements collectively contribute to making the Element Palazzo an eye-catching and unparalleled symbol of extravagance on the road. Interior features. The interior of the Element Palazzo is a showcase of opulence and meticulous design. The use of high-quality materials such as fine wood, leather, and marble creates an atmosphere of luxury and sophistication. Every detail is carefully considered, from the tasteful decor to the exquisite fixtures and fittings. The motorhome's advanced technology is seamlessly integrated, with features like touchpad control systems, customizable mood lighting, and precise climate control, providing a modern and comfortable living experience. The fully equipped kitchen is a chef's dream, furnished with top-tier appliances, while the dining area and living room offer plush seating and ample space for relaxation and entertainment. The master bedroom is a sanctuary, typically featuring a king-size bed and an ensuite bathroom with a rainfall shower and deluxe amenities. In some versions, the Element Palazzo boasts an expandable sky lounge that can be raised to create an outdoor terrace complete with lounge furniture and stunning panoramic views. In every aspect, the Element Palazzo's interior reflects a commitment to providing the highest level of comfort and extravagance for its occupants. Performance. The Element Palazzo is built on a high-performance chassis, and it is powered by a powerful engine to ensure smooth and efficient travel. The performance of the Element Palazzo matches its luxurious exterior and interior design, ensuring a smooth and efficient travel experience. Built on a high-performance chassis, this motorhome offers the power and stability needed for long journeys. It's typically equipped with a robust engine that can effortlessly handle the demands of a large, well-appointed vehicle. The aerodynamic design, with its sleek lines and efficient shape, not only contributes to its striking appearance but also enhances fuel efficiency and minimizes wind resistance during travel. With a strong engine, advanced suspension systems, and precise handling, the Element Palazzo is well-suited for long-distance road trips, combining the luxury of a high-end residence with the practicality and reliability of a top-tier motorhome. Whether cruising along highways or navigating scenic routes, the Element Palazzo's performance capabilities make it a remarkable and well-rounded option for those seeking the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Expandable space. One of the most captivating features of the Element Palazzo is its expandable space, which takes the concept of a motorhome to a whole new level. Some versions of the Element Palazzo are equipped with what's known as a sky lounge, a transformative addition that elevates the motorhome's luxury and functionality. With just the push of a button, the sky lounge can be raised, creating a remarkable outdoor terrace on the roof of the vehicle. This unique feature allows occupants to step outside and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of their surroundings. Outfitted with comfortable lounge furniture and often complete with a retractable canopy for shade, this space offers an ideal setting for relaxation, socializing, or simply savoring the beauty of the outdoors. The expandable sky lounge not only maximizes the usable living space but also adds an element of extravagance, setting the Element Palazzo apart as a true marvel of modern motorhome design, where indoor and outdoor luxury coalesce seamlessly. It's a testament to the innovation and commitment to a premium travel experience that Marquis Mobile has instilled in this exceptional vehicle. Price. The price of the Element Palazzo, created by the Austrian company Marquis Mobile, is a reflection of its unparalleled luxury and innovation. While it can vary significantly based on customizations and additional features chosen by the buyer, it is known to reach several $1 million. This high cost places the Element Palazzo among the most expensive motorhomes in the world. The price tag is justified by the motorhome's exceptional exterior and interior design, top-tier materials, advanced technology, and the unique features it offers, such as the expandable Sky Lounge, which contribute to a truly lavish and one-of-a-kind travel experience. The Element Palazzo is a symbol of extravagance and exclusivity, designed for those who demand the absolute pinnacle of luxury and comfort while on the road and are willing to invest significantly to achieve it. Customization. Buyers can customize their Element Palazzo to suit their individual preferences and needs. This includes choosing the interior decor, materials, and layout. The customization options available for the Element Palazzo are a testament to its exclusivity and the extent to which owners can tailor this luxury motorhome to their individual desires. Prospective buyers have the opportunity to work closely with the manufacturer, Marquee Mobile, to craft a bespoke living space. This can include selecting the finest interior materials, from the wood finishes to the choice of leather and marble used throughout. Owners can personalize the motorhome's exterior, choosing custom paint finishes and graphics to match their preferences. The layout and features of the interior, from the fully equipped kitchen to the master bedroom, can be tailored to meet specific needs and preferences, ensuring that the Element Palazzo becomes a unique and personalized sanctuary on wheels. Such customization ensures that each Element Palazzo is a one-of-a-kind creation, reflecting the owner's distinct tastes and requirements, and further cementing its reputation as a symbol of ultimate luxury and exclusivity in the world of motorhomes. Popularity. The Element Palazzo gained fame for its appearance in various luxury and travel-related media, which added to its prestige and exclusivity. The Element Palazzo has achieved remarkable popularity and recognition in the realm of luxury motorhomes. Its striking and avant-garde design, as well as its opulent features, have made it an iconic symbol of extravagance. This motorhome has been prominently featured in various luxury and travel-related media, contributing to its prestige. Celebrities, affluent travelers, and those with a penchant for opulent travel experiences have shown a keen interest in the Element Palazzo, elevating its status in the world of high-end recreational vehicles. Its unique expandable Sky Lounge, a feature that sets it apart from traditional motorhomes, has garnered substantial attention and admiration. This innovation has helped solidify the Element Palazzo's reputation as a trailblazer in the industry, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in mobile luxury living. The motorhome's customization options and commitment to providing an unrivaled level of comfort and exclusivity have further propelled this popularity. While the Element Palazzo is certainly a symbol of extravagance, it also stands as a testament to the boundless creativity and innovation that can be infused into the world of travel and leisure. As it continues to captivate the imaginations of those who seek the ultimate in mobile luxury, its popularity remains undeniably strong. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.